Alright, what's up everybody? Time for a long video. This is a sock lot unboxing. First socks are from It Chapter 2. So let's get into them. First set, the first pair is, there's 6 pairs here. It has that, and this is Time to Float. So there they are. Time to Float in the back there. Next pair is balloons. There you go. And the other pair, the next pair is Coming Home, or Come Home. And there's Pennywise on there. And there we go. And The Losers is the next one. Next pair is Pennywise. And the last pair of It is Time to Float. Next ones are from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So the first pair is Jack Skellington. The next pair is, well, that's cool. I like that one. These are also 6 pairs here too. There he is again. Next pair. And Sally. And the next pair. This is probably the most boring video y'all ever seen, but if y'all stick around through it, thank you. Oogie Boogie. If y'all are sticking around, like I said, to this, thank you. Appreciate it. Means a lot. It probably is the most boring video y'all ever seen. Next one is Jack and Sally. That's cool. I like it. Alright, the next ones are Friends, the TV series, the television series one. Again, 6 pairs. first pair. It just says friends. That's pretty cool. Next pair. And the how you doing ones. Those. Like a cab. And this is the characters' names on there. Essential perk. Cool. And the last pair. Hold on. The Friends logo and different things. Not really too exciting socks. Those ones weren't. They're still cool. Next one is Universal movie ones. 6 pairs again. Damn, this is going to be a long-ass sock video. Y'all, if y'all have a sock fetish, there you go. I just cured your sock fetish. Not the weirdest fetish I've heard of. Hands and fistuses are. If y'all watching, you know, you know. If not, comment below if you want to hear this story. Maybe I'll tell you. Most likely will. Fucking freak. Anyway. The first one. Cool. It's Jaws. That's cool. I like it. The next ones are cool. Great Scott. Back to the Future. Next ones are cool. E.T. The next one is, oh cool, Fast Times at Ridgemont High. Next pair is Dazed and Confused. Cool. And last but not least on this one, I gotta clean up a mess later. Matthew made a fucking mess. It doesn't matter, though. The Dudes or something? The Dude Abides or some shit? I don't fucking know. I haven't seen that one. 80s or some bullshit. I don't know. And my baby hurt herself. I heard it. Anyway. And the last... Fuck, there's more? How many fucking more do I got? Jesus Christ, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's gonna be a half-hour sock video. Jesus Christ, hey, baby. Top Gun is the next one. So, literally a half hour. Swear to God, if y'all stick through a whole half hour of a sock video, you guys are really supporting me. Jesus fucking Christ. I'm boring myself. Anyway. Would you fucking come off? God damn, there we go. I'm weird. I like keeping little, like, cardboards and shit. I'm weird, but it doesn't matter. At least somebody loves me. Top Gun obviously is the first ones. Jesus, look at all these socks. Y'all gotta look at this sock shit. Look at that. It's insane. And we high up to like there or something. Anyway. The next one. I don't know how cardboard was so hard for me to open, but whatever. Top Gun. It's just like Top Gun, but like different colors. Yeah, kind of like the Friends one. The Friends one were kind of boring, but still cool. Oh, for the love of God. I put the damn garbage in my slipper. Anyway. There it is again. There's another one. Oh, now we're getting to interesting ones. The interesting ones. Okay, maybe it's not going to be half hour because realize that box that I showed y'all is 3 socks in them, so it's okay. Oh, cool. United States of America. Cool. It's still going to be piled high with socks, though, I tell you what. Good Lord. Swear to God, I'm going to snap that mousetrap off and it's going to hit my fucking hand on video and it's going to be hilarious. Tomcat. And the last one of this. Thank God we're done with the 6-packs. Jesus. VF1. There we go. Next, that comes out is South Park. 3 pair of socks. Like I said, if y'all are literally staying through this video, thanks. It means a lot. I wouldn't even be offended if y'all turned it off. Like, not that y'all are going to hear it if you turned it off, but, you know, if y'all stayed through it. I know a few people probably will. It's like y'all support me or something. Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Nice fucking song. Anyway, the next one is, or the first one is, this is South Park. Pretty generic, but whatever. I'm also clearing off the couch at the same time while I'm doing this, because there's a whole bunch. Hey, respect my authority. Cool. And last but not least of South Park is, it's the boys. Cool. Alright. Let me fix this here for a minute. Jesus. Yeah, cool. The next one is fucker. It's stuck. Fuck it. There we go. Rugrats. So here we go. 3 pairs again. 4 more left. Thank the Lord, have mercy on that. Good Lord, am I tired of looking at socks. Oh well. Whatever though. Jesus. Oh, there it is. They are. Here we go. Still on the fucking sock thing. Would you just do a nerd look? No. She did a nerd look, I know it. Reptar. Roar. Nice ass. Shut up. I love you. I hate you too. You don't hate me. I love you. I know. I love you too, by the way. I don't know what the hell these damn things are, but they're over here. Could you fucking get on there? And there we go. And Reptar. And I'll be right back. This is a commercial break for me because I'm going to go smoke with my girl. Did you all enjoy your commercial break? Because I'm back. You can edit that part out. You know what, right? What part? That part. Oh, I paused it. Oh, okay. That's I don't know how to edit. The next one is the Golden Girls. Yeah, babe, I know you like the Golden Girls. I don't think I'm ever going to find socks for you. She got pants. I bought her pants today. Anyway, of the Golden Girls. Not the same matching ones, because I couldn't find it. I was looking for the matching ones. I'm like, I want matching. Oh, damn, it didn't work. Oh, well, whatever. But, yeah. We got 3 more left after this. Thank the Lord, because I'm sick of looking at socks. Like I said, y'all have a sock fetish? Bless your heart. That's all I got to say. But if you want to hear the Fistus's fetish, put comments below. If I get about 5 comments, I don't care if it's from the same person, I'll tell it. I'm not going to do the like shit. You know, fuck it. Because I don't get any likes, so fuck it. It's like y'all comment. I like the comments better than I can talk to y'all. I can't talk to y'all when y'all like it. Anyway. First one is, hey, look at that. Look at that. It's all 4 of them on there. I sucks that like one of them's on your foot, but it says stay golden. And the next one is, oh, they're blue and it has their names. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. I'm not flipping around because they're all the same design, so it's like, fuck it, you know. This one's pretty generic, but cool. Oh, these are like women's socks. What the fuck? Golden. They're pink and purple. Nice fucking purple women's socks. I'll still wear them. I don't care. I'll rock those fuckers too. You watch. All right. The next one is, why is it sticky on there? Oh, I have another CD. I need to undo it. I gotta get that out of there. I'm not doing that one. Thought I could empty a box out. The next one is National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Did y'all hear the rumors they're gonna remake? Did you hear they're gonna remake that, babe?
No.
Yeah, but they're not having Chevy Chase in it, or Chevy Chase. I'm like, well, it's gonna suck then.
No shit.
She shares the same thing. She shares the same likes as me, pretty much. That's why when when people were talking today and stuff, they said there's no two people alike. I was about to say beg to differ, because we're pretty much alike. Yeah, we have different views, but we're pretty much alike. On some stuff, I should say. Most stuff we're all like, whatever. Oh, fuck! The sock fell in the fucking oil almost. Okay, I guess we're looking at it. For what the fuck are these? Like reindeers or something? Oh, it's like the logos or something. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but like nice Christmas socks, I guess. Maybe if I'm a good boy, Santa will give me presents this year. If y'all believe in Santa, bless your heart. I still believe in Santa. Santa's real. There might be kids watching. There's that one. These are fucking little. These lids are lit. I won't lie. These ones are lit. They're like dumb but lit. Look at this sock pile. Told you it's gonna be like piled up to the ceiling. And you can go in there. This one's like not cool, but like whatever.
They're green and red.
Christmas colors.
Christmas colors, Dad.
True. Nightmare on Elm Street. These are the ones I've been waiting for on the Friday the 13th. Oh, now y'all are going to be like, okay, we don't have to watch. We know what the next one is. Yeah, well, fuck you for not watching all of them. Just kidding. I swear if they're literally sitting through an 18-minute video of fucking socks, they are fucking troopers. I know there's a few of them on here that will, because there's always that one at McDonald's, believe it or not. That freaking is the #1 fan. She's like, I think I seen you on YouTube. I'm like, maybe, you probably have. And she subscribed and she watches all my videos. She's like my #1 fan. It's pretty cool. Never sleep. Cool. Those are cool. I'm gonna rock these socks. Might pack some with on the trip. Right? I don't care if I have goofy ass socks on. Oh, these ones are lit. I like these ones.
Ooh.
Those ones are cool. I might have some like socks for you because I realize I have double.
Don't be alarmed if you have socks that go missing.
I might have some for you in a box, so.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying out of all that, don't be alarmed if some go missing.
Don't steal the Nightmare on Elm Street. I like them. There's no. That might can actually buy you some. I think I've seen some at Walmart today, but they're men's socks, so they might be like way up to your knees. There's that.
And does it look like I give a fuck?
True.
No.
True. And last, but finally, not least, watch it. Cool. Is Friday the 13th. Thank God I'm almost done with socks. Like I said, like 500 times during this video, I'm sick of looking at socks. I just figured to do them all together because I have so much fucking content. And I'm not going to just do individual videos because you're going to be like, fucking enough with the sock videos, guy. Come on now. Y'all seen how much socks are there. That would have been like 75 different sock videos. So I put them all together. Just like the wrestling movies and stuff from Cal and stuff, what I still gotta do. I'm going to do it all together. So it'll be a big old video. Same with that one from that storage unit. All together. And if I run out of content, whatever, who cares? Like the pop vinyls, when I unbox those, it's going to be like series and stuff, but like not individually. So I'll find more stuff or something. I'm always buying shit, so there we go. Oh, these are cool. Jason's gonna kill us. If y'all didn't realize, the last ones are 3 packs, so is this one. There you go. And I'm not giving whoever made these credit because I don't know who did it. So like, copyright me all you want. But like, I bought your product, so kiss my butt. And the last socks, thank God, is this one. Oh, these are cool. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this probably long-ass fucking ridiculous video. But before I say, look at this sock pile. Enjoyed this video. Thanks for sticking around if you did. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.